This is not a test. Important instructions will follow. The Department of Defense has issued a Class 1 emergency for all areas within 400 miles of Washington, D.C. At 12:45 p.m. Department of Defense radar detected a nuclear missile launched from Iran that was heading toward Washington, D.C., and is believed to be arriving within the next 40 minutes. All people within 400 miles of Washington, D.C. needs to immediately seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is an effect of radiation, and even mild exposure can be fatal. If you cannot get to a fallout shelter, please make your way to an inner room or basement, and surround yourselves with large appliances such as washing machines and refrigerators. It is also important that you take a flashlight and battery radio and plenty of food and water. Once you are in the fallout shelter, please turn your radio to 1060 AM and wait further instructions. Remember, this is a life or death situation, and failure to comply with this request will result in certain death.